Hey guys, here's a quick video for you. I just bought some new LED lights for the taillights here. I didn't want to spend a ton of money on sequential lights and go too crazy with all that, but I wanted to show you guys quickly the difference. And again, I'll have a link in the description below. The ones over there are the new LED lights. This is without one of the special LED blinker relay things. They're super clear, really nice. And this one is slow, it's off, it's not working quite right. You can definitely see how it's not as bright. So I hope this helps you guys. Feel free to watch my videos, and I'll see you on the next one. That is a million times better. And so far that is without the LED relay.